G'day everybody. So one of my good friends who knows me well has given me this surfboard looking thing, which is the center of an inflatable boat, rigid inflatable. This is aluminium and it only weighs just under 20 kilograms as it sits now. So I've had the brainwave of just welding some little sides on it. I'm thinking that I'll stand on it with a tiller extension. What could possibly go wrong? Great idea, right? Anyway, let's have a look at what we're dealing with. So it did have a snub nose. I've cut that off and bent a plate and welded that on just to continue the hull shape. You can see where the original inflatable sections of the hull were there. I think it's quite a good hull shape actually. Nice little V in the hull. Yeah, anyway, I'm excited. Awesome. So I've got a sheet of 2mm thick aluminium here. I've made a template out of 3mm MDF, just cheap board. So I'm just going to trace that and I'll cut two sides out of this and start welding them on. Alright, so I'm just about to tack this side on. So this is going really well. I've just put a string line through the center, 2 levels, just to make sure that the top is, in wind and the hull's all straight. And then I've cut down the sides, so looking really good. So I've got my 2 gunnels now bent to the same shape. So as I'm welding away, I'm thinking things like, geez, I hope this boat floats me. I hope it's fast. Getting some good welding practice here. I'm loving this. All right, so that gunnel is all welded on now. It's made it look very neat. So basically just put some decent tacks along the inside. So the outside seam of that gunnel I've welded right the way around. Welded a little toe lug on there too. Awesome. All right, after a fair bit of welding, this thing's ready to go. Top sides are done, gunnels are welded on. Lots of TIG welds. Good practice. Yeah, so it's ended up at just under 9 feet long. It weighs 36 kilos. I had it on the scales, so it is pretty light. It's looking good. Pretty cool. Bit of bat poo on the side.